Klean Industries tire pyrolysis technology recovers the materials used in tire production, which are oil, carbon black, steel, and fiber. Our technology has been successfully implemented in Asia, North America, and Europe. Our high-quality end products are comparable to virgin commodities, except they are less expensive and greener. To begin the continuous pyrolysis process, we need a large amount of primary shredded tires. They arrive at our facilities in containers. The primary shredded tires are then run through your facility's secondary shredder, removing the fiber and steel, preparing the processed tire feedstock for pyrolysis. The secondary shredded tires are fed directly into the pyrolysis reactor, where it is gasified and distilled into diesel fuel. A portion of the recovered fuel and heat is utilized to produce steam, and the recovered carbon black is pelletized and bagged. The pelletized recovered carbon black is sold to a regional auto parts manufacturer. The excess steam is sold to a neighboring food processing facility. The recovered diesel fuel is sold to a local oil refinery. The recovered steel is sold to a nearby rebar factory, and the tire fiber is sold to a local cement plant, creating a circular economy. To learn more about our tire pyrolysis technology, go to our site at kleanindustries.com.